Welcome back, YouTube family and heroes. This is Sub-Zero back in with another video just for all of you guys. We got the Subaru STI today. We're going to be installing some Subispeed carbon fiber vents on the sides right here. I'm going to be going over and seeing how I like that. A few videos coming up. We got some more work from Elite Wraps. They recently just did the black gloss on the roof, and the black gloss definitely adds just a nice dynamic to the car. We got a nice black gloss extended hood scoop that we're going to be putting on the car. And we got a few other things on the sides and the vents of the car that we're going to be installing to see how we like it and how it is going. And at Elite Wraps, when we take the car, we got some more side work and some vent work that we're going to be doing on the car. But until then, guys, like I said, we have a whole bunch of stuff coming with the STI. This Vet C7R Top Gun is in the shop, getting a whole bunch of work done. We're going to be going to the shop just to get some updates so I can really go over everything that I'm going to be doing on that car. But until then, guys, we got the Subi. I know a few people have been asking about these Braum seats as far as installing seats on your Subarus and how you can get away with the airbag light with the resistors and the passenger seat sensor that you have to put in the seat. If you guys haven't seen the video, I do have a video on my YouTube channel. I'll put a link right here so you guys can go ahead and see that, so you guys can go ahead and get other seats. It is pretty much a universal thing, so any seats you guys get, if you guys get Sparco seats, Braum seats, Recaro seats, whatever seats you guys got, if you want to put aftermarket ones in, you're going to need resistors and you're going to need the passenger sensor kit that I'm going to be putting on the car. Shout out to Subispeed, Foster over at Subispeed. I just met your aunt, man, and she saw the Subaru and was like, hey, my nephew also works at this place called Subispeed, and it's so interesting because the part that I'm doing for this install I got from Subispeed. So one more time, shout out to Subispeed. This is such a small world, guys. All the Subi owners, all the Subaru guys, there's a good chance that we all know each other, and that's why I'm so glad and grateful to be part of this community. Really awesome people. But anyway, guys, let's get back to the video. Alright, y'all, so like I said, I'm going to be inserting the little carbon fender slots right here. It's just an overlay, but I really like it because it kind of really gives a more wide stance. It makes, you know, the fenders look a little wider. It makes the car look a little wider. You know, these cars are a little on the thin side, but especially when I do the liberal addiction front bumper, rear bumper, side skirts, and now doing this, it just kind of adds a little bit of, you know, some girth, some wideness, and some aggression on the car. So very simple. It's literally just overlays. But I know a few other people have been interested in getting these, so I want to do a whole video talking about how I like it and how it looks. So let's get to it. Alright, so that's what the top side looks like. The same color from Subispeed matches this panel right here, and it also matches this panel right here as well. So I got the overlay on the bottom part of the mirror, I got the overlay right here, and now I got the overlay right there. And it looks really good, man. Looks really good. Like I said, it gives just a more aggressive kind of stance, more bulkier stance. Got some more stuff that's going to be coming as well. But so far, that's what the top piece looks like. And let's get to the bottom piece. All right, and that's how it looks on the other side. Like I said, just get it to match perfectly even. It's not too difficult to install, but it matches that right there. Matches the under mirror and the side, and it looks much better. Looks really good. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the light, in the sun, so that way you guys can see it a little bit more. But man, like, look at that. Again, I'm not sure if the video is doing it justice on the styling, but it just makes it look much more wider, make it much more aggressive, and now, you know, it just kind of matches a little bit better. Like I said, I got the gloss black right here. We're gonna be going to Elite Wraps. You're getting gloss black on the sides right here on the car and getting gloss black on the hood scoop. So anyway, guys, stay tuned. We got lots more coming with the Subi, lots more coming with the channel. Really just want to make this quick video just to show how this looks on the side. And man, that looks, look at that. Like, look at that. Dang, that looks good. Woo! Thumbnail quality right there. Oh, that's the one right there. That's the one. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching the video. Didn't want to make it too long, just want to get right to the point, show you guys exactly how I feel about it. Man, it looks good. It looks so good. Anyway, have a great day, guys. Keep going after your dreams, make them a reality, and remember, be your own hero, because the world needs more heroes and we all have the power to be one. Have a great day, y'all. Peace.